sanibonani bafethu, igama lami uThandazani uTP the Prince Wakamsomi, and once again welcome to iPrizani Studios guys. I'm about to check for you ukuthi what is happening in and around eThekwini bafethu, eDurban, eMdubane kwelikaBhanana. Sisakhula ke thina bekuthiwa ke eThekwini sidla ubhanana siwusheba nolwandle, but ke njengamanje izinto ishintshile, but abanye ke the city of Shwama. Ngiyadlala guys, akikho lapho kuphethe indaba ezimnandi bafethu. Namhlanje la kuthiwa ke khona iDurban Beachfront will get a billion rand amusement park bafethu. This is a new 1 billion amusement park that is coming to Durban Beachfront bafethu. Kuthiwa le amusement it will be built on the old Durban Fun World site bafethu. During imedia briefing ebikade khona earlier on Wednesday, the eThekwini mayor ubaba uCyril Xaba announced a big successful bidder for the project bafethu. Ubaba uXaba says the construction is expected to be completed by the year 2027, and this development will create about 1,500 jobs, of which is 500 wale msebenzi will be permanent staff bafethu. So I think this is the good news for iTheku, and I think Durban is going to be fun one more time. But bafethu, leave the comment if ke uyithandile le topic yethu yanamhlanje ukulethela lezi ndaba, ulike uphinde ke futhi usitshele ukuthi what do you think about this new project. Thank you so much. TP the Prince Wakamsomi. Catch me on the next episode. This is Prizani Studio.